I spent over £450 on TikTok shop. This isn't even all the boxes. So let's show you what I got. I will be doing a first impressions over on my TikTok, so make sure to go check that out. But anyways, I am Zoe. If you don't know me, I am 24 years old. I do lots of fashion, styling, makeup, lifestyle and travel. Please make sure to go check out my other socials. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe. I post twice a week on a Wednesday and a Sunday every single week. So you will have my annoying little face every week. But yes, let's not babble on. Let's dive straight into the haul and show you what I got for over £450. Okay, let's dive in with the first 4 boxes of Look Fantastic. Oh, okay. I don't know what it is, but I'm really in my fragrance era at the moment. I seem to be picking up fragrances left, right and centre. I recently went to a fragrance shop event and they very kindly gave me this Jimmy Choo perfume, which I've literally been absolutely loving. So I decided to pick it up in another scent. I feel like with brands it goes one way or the other. You either absolutely love the scent and you love the whole brand, or you absolutely hate it. So I picked up the other version, I believe, which is in the exact same bottle, and this is Jimmy Choo I Want Chew. So I'm really excited to give this a go and sort of see what it smells like, but I've heard really good things. Okay, in the next box is a lot of skincare. I am wanting to try some new high-end skincare and some more drugstore skincare. I've had a real thing going on with my skin this year. So the first thing that I picked up was the Inkey List Oat Cleansing Balm. I've heard absolutely amazing things about this and I wanted to give it a go. I'm in my cleansing balm era. I seem to love a cleansing balm. It moisturizes my skin and I just really like it. And normally I'm quite an oily skin type, but I seem to really be loving an oil cleanser. So let's give this a go. On the note of face cleansing, I went to my bestie Grace's house recently and I tried her new face wash, which is actually from CeraVe. This is the Blemish Control. This has ceramides, niacinamide and salicylic acid, which are my 4 favorite ingredients for skincare, and I absolutely loved what it did to my skin. CeraVe has always been a really good brand for me, especially as an acne prone person, so I think I'm going to absolutely love this. And also you get so much product for such good value of money as well, so I'm excited to give this a go. On to a little bit more expensive products. This is Weleda. Obviously it's not super expensive, but it's more expensive than the other 2 that I picked up. This is the Skin Food, but in light. I've tried the normal Skin Food for the drier sections of my face and I quite liked it. So I thought, you know what, we're going to pick up the light version. It's still meant to be super moisturizing, so this could be a good night cream for me. I've run out of like all my moisturizers, so I'm excited to give this a go and see what the difference is between the light and the normal. The next thing I picked up is actually from one of my favorite brands, one of my favorite high-end skincare brands, which is Caudalie. I love their masks, I love their skincare. Their white serum is one of my all-time favorite serums. This is the Instant Detox Mask, which I've seen go absolutely viral over socials, but I didn't pick it up because I do think it's like, I say £25–30 for the mask, and I was like, I don't really need that right now, but I did a massive haul. So I picked this up and I've heard it's meant to be really good for your skin, and also I love a clay mask, and also I love a brand that's mainly natural ingredients. And the next thing I picked up is from one of my favourite high-end hair care brands. I recently ran out of hair oil, so I was like, okay, I'm just going to have to bite the bullet and buy this hair oil. I've seen it absolutely everywhere, and it's the Kerastase hair oil. Kerastase is one of my all-time favourite hair care brands. All time. I love it, and I do think it's definitely worth investing in the money, especially I always bulk up around Black Friday. Look Fantastic always do some great deals, and they're now on TikTok Shop with those deals, so they come literally like next day, free delivery, because there's some sort of voucher on TikTok Shop. So I did get the small one. I think this is the 30ml, just because I wanted to see if I liked it first, but I still think that was like £36 for a hair oil, so I'll probably do like a little video and see what I think in that video. Okay, next up in the next Look Fantastic box is from Glow Recipe. I really like this as a brand. I love their packaging, I love the product. Honestly, it's just the cutest little thing, and look, it's in the shape of a strawberry, which I absolutely love. I do also want to try their primer as well, but I'm in need of a few serums because I'm running out. So This is their Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. I love salicylic acid. It's one of my absolute favourite skincare ingredients, especially for an acne textured skin type. And I really like the Glow recipe as well. So I decided to treat myself to something a little bit nice. I tried it on in Sephora when I went to go see the new Sephora, and I really liked it. So if I like this, I'll definitely be investing in the Pore Primer, which I'm pretty sure is in the same collection as this. Yes. And the last thing that I picked up in the Look Fantastic box is actually some makeup. So I picked up this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I used to have this, but I had it when I was not as tanned, and I also had it when I used to do a really bright under eye. So I got this in the shade Nude. Can we just talk about the fact that this, look at the size of that compared to my head. Like, that is a concealer. I've heard amazing things about it, and it's meant to like really like make Tarte shake in its boots. So I am really excited to give this a go and see what it's like, because I've not used it in years since it came out, and also I think I might prefer it in a bit more of a natural colour. So, and the last two things in that box is some affordable lip liners. So this is in the Rimmel London Cappuccino lip liner. I'm currently on the hunt for a really gorgeous nude brown, maybe a bit deeper brown, but not super orange, like a cool tone brown liner. And then this is the Barry M Toast lip liner as well. So I picked this up also on TikTok shop. Ordered this collection lip liner, which my bestie Gracie also recommended to me, which is an amazing cool tone brown lip liner. I believe these are all under £5 each, so I'm really excited to give this a go and sort of see which one I prefer, and I'm on the hunt for like the most affordable lip liner. Now, the thing that I got to match that collection lip liner, which is also recommended by my bestie Grace, is actually the She's Nude lipstick from Doll Beauty. I've got lipsticks from them before, and this is in the shade FOMO, which is one of their favourite best-selling lipsticks. I used to work for them, and they are by far one of the favourite brands that I've ever worked for. They are lovely. The owners are absolutely amazing, and look at this shade in colour. I really am enjoying this sort of ombre lip, darker lip liner, super nude in the middle. So this is going to be amazing. Also, look at the packaging. Super cute. Last thing that I picked up is actually meant to be a dupe for the De-Bronzy drops from Drunk Elephant. And this is the Be Perfect Bronze Boost Gel Drops. This is meant to give a gorgeous glow and basically do the exact same thing that the De-Bronzy drops are meant to do. They've recently released this, and it's for the face and the body. So we're going to do a video and we're going to give this a go. And the other thing that I picked up, which I've seen all over TikTok, is the Embryolisse Le Cream Concentrate, which is meant to be like an amazing moisturizing cream that doesn't break you out. So I just got like a little mini version to see if I like it before buying the full size. And yeah, I just wanted to see what the hype was about, basically. And that is everything that I got for over £450. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other channels as well, which is why I'll be doing a first impressions and trying a lot of the products that I recently picked up. So if you do want to see that, make sure to go check it out. I post videos every single day on TikTok, and I post basically every single day styling and doing makeup hauls on Instagram. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time for my next video.